Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a video on color correcting. I'm going to color correct with a lipstick, a red lipstick on one side, and then I have a little sample here because I didn't want to go out and buy one, is the Bobbi Brown color corrector in deep bisque. So that's the darkest color that they have. Now, do we need to go out and buy something? So I've never done that before, so I'm going to do it on camera right now with you guys on one side, and one side I'm going to go with the Bobbi Brown color corrector deep bisque. Now the colors are very different, and you'll be able to see it. Like the red is it's red. It's my MAC Russian red is the only one that I really found right now quickly, but let's see, under eye corrector. The Bobbi Brown one is it's $36. And that's Canadian. Okay, so $36 Canadian. So do we really need to go out and buy that one, or can we use the red that we have at home? Okay, so let's just get started. I'm going to start off with just prepping my face, and then I'm going to continue doing the rest of my makeup just the way I normally do. Let's see if I can actually get in and really cover that red that's going to be there. So I like to just kind of, and that's just water, mostly just to kind of add a little bit of moisture to the skin. Always put on a under eye. It's going to keep it, it's not going to be harmful, that's for sure. It's going to keep it nice and moist, especially when you're going to be color correcting, because you're not only putting on the color corrector or the red lipstick, but you're also putting on the concealer on top. So you want to keep that area nice and moist. Okay, so that was the Alchemist. Then I'm going to go in and prime, and I'm using the Clarins SOS primer. This one's to blurring out imperfections, and I just use a primer on my laugh lines, my nose, my forehead, and that's it. Let's go in with the Bobbi Brown. The Bobbi Brown guy first. So, underneath the eyes. That might be a little bit slower here because these are steps that I'm just usually not used to. So let's go right in there. I'm going to go with my red, and oh heck, I'm just going to use my brush on my lipstick, and I'll clean that off after. Let's see. So I don't know if you guys want me to kind of keep this on all day and see if one starts peeping through the other. The reason I'm doing this tutorial, I know there was quite a few that were out quite a while ago, but it's just I wanted to get an updated one out there, and there's still people out there that don't know that they're just, by the end of the day, their dark circles, 4 hours into the day, their dark circles are kind of peeping through, and do you really need to go out and spend and get the bougie product, or can you just work with the products at home? Let's see. I'll wipe my brush off a little bit here. Okay, so that's that. Press that in to the skin. Okay, so one is like orange, I guess, and one is red. one was sitting at home and one you have to go and purchase. Now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I use the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Foundation. Let's go in. After this tutorial, I need to clean my brushes. As I'm going up slowly, the Bobbi Brown one is getting covered. This one is getting covered too, but I don't want to take my foundation all the way up to the top of my under eyes. So like right underneath my lower lash line. Mostly because, like I said, I don't want too much product underneath my eyes. I already feel like some people are like, okay, well, I don't want to put too much product on under my eyes, or I don't have that much time to put so much product underneath my eyes. You know, I just want to. So if you're not gonna, I mean, I would recommend definitely going in with a concealer. But if you're not, try to find like a fuller coverage foundation. I think this one can actually, it would work, like the Too Faced one, if you go all the way up to the top, and it would cover it. So if that's all you want to do, it would definitely kind of do the work. I feel as if though, because it has been kind of covering it a little bit. So I think I've blended that out. Nice. So that looks like a safer bet right now. Like everybody's like, okay, well, yeah, like how am I going to cover that? That one looks like it's a lot easier to work with and stuff like that. And if you think so, that's easier for you, yeah, go for it. But for those of us that don't want to go out and spend extra bucks for that one, would that one work? Use my Pro Longwear in NC42. I'm gonna do 2 pumps of that. Now I'm gonna go with my Beauty Blender again and go into Pro Longwear. And just go up. Okay, so I have my Sharp Shape Tape in a light medium, and normally I would put a couple of dots here, but I want to be able to do this. I would put a couple of dots there, a little here, just to brighten it up a little bit, but I want to be able to do this without too many products, so you guys can do it quickly, and you don't have to go out and purchase so many products, right? And I am just gonna go on the sides of my nose, and that's just for contouring purposes. Oh my god, they both covered. Oh my god. Where's my powder? Oh my god. Like, it looks exactly the same. Why do we need to go out and purchase that one? Holy crap. Okay, I just put some powder on my Beauty Blender, and I am gonna go underneath. And on the sides of my nose with that guy. Same thing, dip it again underneath and on the sides of my nose on this side. As my mouth is wide open. There you go. Holy crap, that worked, guys. I'm gonna go dip into my Modern Renaissance palette and dip into Burnt Orange. Let's contour a little bit. I'm gonna use my Clarins contour with my MAC. This is, I believe, their limited edition. And then I'm gonna go into my Too Faced, I don't know if they sell this anymore, Ross and Rachel Soulmates Blushing Bronzer. More time to look bronzy and glowy, just kind of go in with a bronzer and use it as a blush. It actually looks really beautiful. And now I'm gonna do so I never leave without doing the under eyes. I'm gonna add a little bit of powder underneath the eyes. I don't normally bake, but I do add a little bit of powder under the eyes before I'm about to go in with mascara. I've been using the new Milk Kush mascara. And I'm gonna go in with the highlighter. Which highlighter am I? I'm using the Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby. I'm gonna use my Tardiest lip liner and Later Gram. I'm gonna go with the NARS liquid lip and get it on. Yeah, that's really attractive, right? That is looking like amazing. So there you have it. So that, my friends, is a winner. The lipstick, the red lipstick, is a winner. I wouldn't go out and purchase the what was it, $34, $37 color corrector, because you don't need it. It's done the exact same thing. Both of them look exactly the same. It does take a little bit more time to cover it, and it's scary in the beginning, but oh my god, guys, it's like perfect. It's not needed. Just take any lipstick and go in with it, and you can use it just in these areas. I wanted to test it around this area, so doing like a test on bougie product. Not so well, MAC, yeah, it's a bougie product, but it's a lipstick that you have, so you can use any red lipstick that you want to. Well, there you have it, guys, the final result of my color correcting spend on an expensive color corrector, or just use what you have at home. Why not? So there you go. Thank you for watching this ever so long video, and I will see you next time. Thanks, guys. Bye.